What can we do for you? Introducing Real Estate Mobile Marketing by RE/MAX Results. See how our unique mobile marketing tools can help you sell your property. A vital part of today's real estate industry is technology, and to that end, we provide our clients with state-of-the-art web and mobile tools. It's just one of the many things that has made RE/MAX number one. In 2014, mobile phone subscribers outnumbered PC internet users by 6 to 1. Next year, it's estimated to be 7 to 1. And when you couple that with mobile open rates on text messages being 97%, it's part of a very sound strategy. 97% of adults 18 to 44 own a mobile device, and 91% of the U.S. citizens have their mobile device within reach 24/7. So these are the tools that we use: lead generating yard signs, instant text message responses, mobile websites, and most importantly, our agents. When a home buyer approaches a home, they want instant information. They want to see the price as well as photos. In this case, we add a sign that says, to get that information, simply text Kelly1 to 72727 or scan. Once the buyer opts in for the information, our agents receive an instant text with the buyer's phone number, and we can instantly engage the buyer in one of two ways. Our agents can send a text directly from their mobile phone to qualify the buyer and schedule a meeting, and our agents can also call from their mobile phone and talk to the buyer directly. And from the buyer's viewpoint, they get exactly what they want. They have the agent's information as well as one button pushing for their phone number and a link to see the photos and the price, as well as a photo of the agent and additional contact information. In this case, simply by clicking the link, they go to the mobile website, which has all the information about the house. And one thing nice about engaging the customer via text is that when there's an open house scheduled, it's easy to send an invite. So if you know you're going to have an open house on the 11th, we can send a text message to say, see the open house this Saturday. 3-bedroom house with upgrades. Click here to see photos and get a map directly to the house. To see a demonstration of these tools, simply text Kelly1 to 72727. Thank you very much.